Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete an Instagram post in just a few easy steps. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, find the Instagram post you wanted to delete. And now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. In the menu that appears, you will see the option to delete. Tap on it. And Instagram will ask you to confirm. Once you confirm by tapping delete again, your post will be removed from your profile. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to delete a post on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.